What's up, everybody? Thanks for tuning in. If you're new here, hit subscribe. If you've been here before, thanks for watching. This was the 2025 Bucks County Tech High School Car Show. Um, it was just this last weekend. Very nice show. A lot of people showed up. A lot of beautiful cars, all different kinds. Whether you're into hot rods, low riders, um, imports, muscle cars, whatever it is, people showed up to this event. I'm definitely going to go next year. Now, there was a lot of things that I didn't show in this video. There were vendors selling things such as stickers, pins, license plate frames. There was a guy had beer taps. A lot of cool stuff. I like going to little local shows because people bring out not just their hot rods, but you can support little businesses and things like that. And plus, it was a tech school, so I believe all the students judged the vehicles and they handed out the awards after. I didn't stay for that part because I had other things to do, but it's still a cool thing. There's a lot of custom vehicles here, uh, stuff that I've never seen before, which was pretty cool. And like I said earlier in the video, please hit the like button, subscribe. This way I can continue to go to car shows and show you all the cool stuff. Thanks.